Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make watermelon popsicles. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is cut up some watermelon. They don't have to be small, just cut off the green part. Then add the pieces into a food processor and blend it until it's smooth. And if you like, you can pass the mixture through a strainer to get rid of most of the seeds and pulp. And pour it into a popsicle mold, filling it up about 2/3 of the way. If you don't have a popsicle mold, I have a video on my channel showing how to make popsicles without one, and I'll link to that video in the description box. Then add the lid on top. And add a popsicle stick into each one. And place it into the freezer for at least 4 hours until it's frozen solid. Then remove it from the freezer and take off the lid. Then add a thin layer of yogurt to the top of each one. Then return it to the freezer so the yogurt can freeze. It should only take about a half an hour. And while it's freezing, peel some kiwis. And puree them until they're smooth. And pour it on top of each of the popsicles once they're frozen. And return it to the freezer until it's frozen. Then once it's frozen, remove it from the freezer. And to get them out of the mold, place them into a bowl filled with hot water and leave it in for a few seconds. And carefully remove them from the mold. If they're not coming out easily, just put it back into the hot water for a little bit longer. And that's how to make watermelon popsicles. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.